Hello student, today we are here with P block elements important reactions part 2. In part 1 we discussed some of the reactions, and here the next reactions are like this. Equation number 25th is the reaction here. The O3 is reacting as oxidizing agent, and it is oxidizes I negative ion to I2, and it itself get reduced. So this is important. It shows the oxidizing property of ozone. Next, SO2 plus Cl2. These two are gases which when they combine they form SO2Cl2, which is in liquid form. SO2 plus MnO4. Here MnO4 is an oxidizing agent which oxidizes the SO2 into SO4 2 negative charge. This reaction you will also see in D block element. Equation number 28. Here we can see that copper fluoride is reacting with sulfuric acid. One salt is formed and HF is removed here. 29th equation. Copper metal is reacting with concentrated sulfuric acid and it's forming copper sulfate. One salt is prepared. Sulfur dioxide gas is formed and water is removed. And when non-metal reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid like sulfur, it gives sulfur dioxide plus water is removed. Another non-metal, that is carbon, is reacting with sulfuric acid to form carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide plus water is removed. All these properties are showing the oxidizing property of H2SO4. Equation number 32. Here the F2, which is a strong oxidizing agent, oxidizes another halogen. It can be chloride, bromide or iodide, and itself get reduced. F2 reacts with water and form H plus ion, releases H plus ion, and oxygen gas is also removed, and the H plus ion and F minus ions combine together and form HF later on. Equation number 34. Here manganese dioxide plus SCl are forming MnCl2 plus Cl2 is released. This reaction is used for the preparation of chlorine gas. Here we can see that manganese MnO2, manganese is having plus 4 oxidation state. Now it gets reduced to plus 2 oxidation state. So MnO2 gets reduced. HCl plus O2, CuCl2 in presence, it forms Cl2 plus H2O. Many a times a question asked, write a reaction where the HCl is formed by Cl2 or the Cl2 is formed by HCl. So this is very important because this question was in CBSE exam, that how we will prepare chlorine from HCl or HCl from chlorine. So we have seen many reactions, so you can write any one of these. When sulfur reacts with chlorine, it forms S2Cl2. This is sulfur dichloride. H2S reacts with Cl2 and form HCl plus sulfur gets released. NaOH, cold and dilute, reacts with Cl2, and hot and concentrated also reacts with Cl2, and both form NaCl plus water, but the difference is between sodium oxychloride, and in hot and concentrated it will form sodium chlorate. So this is the difference. Now come to equation number 40. This can you identify, student? This reaction is the reaction where the chlorine is passed through slag lime, so it will form bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, calcium chloride plus water will release. SO2 plus H2O plus Cl2. SO2 is a non-metal oxide. It reacts with water and forms sulfuric acid plus HCl is released. Next you can see sodium sulfite. HCl reacts करके salt plus water plus SO2 बना रहा है. Next we can see that auric gold is reacting with acid, nitric acid, and its form tetrachloridoorate plus NO plus H2O. So you know that gold only can dissolve in aqua regia. So this is nothing but aqua regia where the gold is dissolved. Equation number 44, you can see iodine is reacting with excess of chlorine to form ICl3, and when chlorine is react with excess of F2, then you will be getting ClF3. Br2 plus 5F2 excess gives you 2BrF5. So students, these are all interhalogen compounds where the two halogens are combining to form a compound, and you know that interhalogen compounds are weaker. Bond is weaker, that is why they are more reactive than the normal halogen. Next, xenon is reacting with F2 to form XeF2. The condition is given, and student, you have to practice this reaction. There is no mechanism as such to express why this product is formed by these two products. Okay, so better you learn this equation, so it will be easier for you. Equation number 50. What happens when xenon difluoride undergoes hydrolysis? This reaction I have already given you. It is the exercise question, and it will be given xenon plus 4HF plus O2 is formed. Equation number 51. Xenon tetrafluoride reacts with antimony pentafluoride, and it will form a compound. This is a coordination compound, ionic compound, because it has plus and minus, both the charges are there. Equation number 52. What happens when xenon hexafluoride reacts with any of the ionic fluoride or alkali fluoride? This can be sodium fluoride, potassium fluoride. Then also it will form a coordination compound. Next three reactions are hydrolysis reactions, and when xenon tetrafluoride and xenon hexafluoride undergoes hydrolysis, it gives different reactions. So these reactions are very important. What happens when xenon hexafluoride undergoes hydrolysis reaction? These reactions are very important, so you just learn these equations because this can be asked. So I hope I have covered up all the important reactions which are necessary for this chapter, and I have given you the revised syllabus also where some of the portions are deleted. So accordingly you prepare yourself, and this chapter is completed, and very soon I am going to take one more test of this chapter. So for that, good day to you all. Thank you so much.